Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titignan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Gemini na mangyayari sa June 6, 2024 at 8:37 p.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So itong new moon, it's about new beginnings, new opportunities, new experiences. So for you, this is going to happen in your 11th house of friendships, community, your hopes, your dreams, experimentation. This is also about freedom. So for some of you, maaring you will join clubs, groups, or be a member of of a community na kung saan meron kayong pare-parehong interest. Okay? So example, mga motor club, car club, or whatever interest you are or you are in. You will gain more friends, more connections. Pwede rin tong online. Meron ka mga sasalihan na Facebook groups na may sarili kayong interest, ganyan, to share your knowledge, your skills, your experiences. Dahil doon, you will gain mga bagong kaibigan. Okay? And I feel like you want to discover more about yourself. Pwedeng pagkakaroon nito ng parang parang you want to experiment on yourself, parang self-discovery, um, you want to experience mga bagong, let's say, bagong hobby, bagong libangan, bagong trip sa buhay. Okay? Mercury is in Gemini right now, which is in the 11th house. Mercury is about connections, socializations, friendships, your thoughts, your ideas. So some of you, maaring, alam mo yung meron kang may inventor, scientist energy na you want to create something to help others, no? Kumbaga, for some of you lang naman to, no, na meron kayong mga projects na gusto nyong gawin, subukan, para makatulong sa mas nakararami sa community. Meron ding information dito, so maaring meron kang i-share ng mga information, knowledge sa mas nakararami. Pwede kung magkakaroon kayo ng interest na maging teacher, coach, mentor, trainer, ayan. Because Jupiter is also energy of someone na maraming alam sa buhay, maraming gusto pang i-explore na bagong ideas. Okay, so Jupiter is the planet of abundance. This is opportunities, pagiging optimistic sa buhay. Okay, I think this is the time rin na you will explore. No? You will have more friends, connections, especially ngayong Jupiter is in your 11th house. Ano yan eh, new set of friends. No? Yan. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be traveling more. No? Panoorin nyo na lang yung reading ko about Jupiter in Gemini sa susunod na readings. Kasi ano yan eh, isang taon na transit. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga opportunities for you for the whole year. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong Cazimi. Ang Cazimi is pagkakaroon ng same degree ng mga planets na connected sa Sun. Okay? So, you have Moon, Sun, and Venus Cazimi. Si Venus is the planet of love, harmony, money, luxury. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong mga business ideas, no? Na may isip na pwede nyo involve ang ibang tao, mga kaibigan ninyo, mga connections ninyo. And this is also one of the best times for you to get into business. Using social media, using your connections, your influence. Okay? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you will gain a lot of admirers, no? Yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging popular kung kayo ay nasa social media, if you are a content creator, influencer, mas lalong magbo-boom yung iyong career sa social media during this time. So, yung iba naman, maaring ngayon pa lang magsisimula, it's never too late to start your YouTube channel. It's never too late to be a content creator sa TikTok, sa any social media platforms. As long as you are being true to yourself, as long as meron kang na-share sa iba na may value, no, valuable things that you can share with others. So you will be blessed with that. So let's see what else do we have for you, Leo. Oh, you have the Four of Wands. Celebration. Celebration with your family, with your friends. Some of you, no, pwede rin magkaroon ng, serious connection with someone because Venus is also in your 11th house. Yung iba, pwedeng kaibigan nyo, matagal nyo na nakaibigan, tapos na-develop sa inyo over time. You also have the Four of Swords. You will also, magbibigay ka rin ng attention sa iyong health, sa iyong kalusugan. Especially kung ikaw yung tao na halos hindi ka na natutulog dahil sa dami ng ginagawa mo. So this is taking a rest. You have the Ace of Wands, which is about new opportunities, exciting new opportunities, new beginnings para sa iyo. So maaring merong ring mga taong magre-reach out sa'yo to be more connected with you. Ano mo yung parang magiging magnet ka of friends, connections. So, use that to your advantage, no? Maraming mga business opportunities na pwede mong subukan, gawin, or may experience mo kapag ikaw ay may influence, kapag ikaw ay may certain following, 'di ba? So, you have the Knight of Swords. Alam nyo, marami kang gagawin, no? Ngayong starting ngayong new moon in Gemini. It will open up new opportunities for you, new connections. Pwedeng merong isang tao na mangungulit sa'yo na, let's say, kukulitin kang sumali sa grupo niya, or kukulitin ka na maging close kayo, maging friends kayo, to hang out with you. Okay. You have the Seven of Swords. So, be careful lang sa mga taong who wants to rain on your parade. So, ibig sabihin, gustong ulanin ang iyong parada. Yung mga taong naiinggit, okay? So, yun yung kasi kapag masyado ka namang na-expose sa maraming tao, maraming kaibigan, hindi naman lahat yan maganda yung intentions towards you. Especially kung nakikilala mo lang itong mga to sa panahon na nagiging successful ka na. Okay? So, kumbaga, it's okay to connect with a lot of people, but syempre yung mga close friends mo, make it small circle of group of friends lang na talagang trusted mo. You have the High Priestess. So, this means na yung iyong instinct, yung iyong intuition is going to be on point. Mas madali mo rin na makikita yung interest ng isang tao sa'yo, intentions ng tao sa'yo. So, pag nakita ka na something that there is a red flag, or you want to validate if this person is true to you, mararamdaman mo agad yan. Okay? You have the Queen of Wands. You will enjoy. You will explore. You will be more creative ngayong panahon na to, starting new moon in Gemini. I feel like you will have more friends, more connections, travel opportunities for you. You have the Five of Pentacles. Just be careful with your finances, okay? Kasi pwedeng ma-over ka na maggastos. So, manage your finances para hindi mo siya maging problema sa mga susunod na araw. Okay? Let's see what else. Bring love into the situation. Okay. So, pwede talagang merong new romantic connection. Or kapag may mga bagay na parang feeling mo kind of stressful, you just think of, the love na pwede mong i-share sa iba. Or love yourself, no? Being more kind to yourself. Push through any insecurity. Yes. So, may mga times, syempre, dahil lagi kang, you'll be open with a lot of people, you will be exposed with a lot of people. pwedeng may tendency na you become more competitive or you compare yourself with others. So, just focus on what you can do, and uh, isipin mo na lang na kanya-kanya tayo ng talents and skills. We are equal. We are equally gifted and talented, na you don't need to be insecure with others. Attune to the divine, ayan. You will also be more spiritual during this time. Mas lalong tatatag yung pananalig mo, pananampalataya mo. And you will have more, you will be more connected to your spirituality, during this time. So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.